Lesson 7. Vitamins. Vitamin essential organic compounds required in very small amounts that are involved in fundamental functions of the body, such as growth, maintenance of health, and metabolism. Most were first recognized because of the pathologies that occurred when they were absent. History of vitamins. Disease related to deficiency and foods that help were recognized long before the vitamin was discovered. Vitamins became valued for promoting public health. In 1880, N.I. Lunin set experiments with white mice what were fed with natural and artificial analog of milk. He proved that artificial milk can cause the death of mice. Casimir Funk was a Polish biochemist, generally credited with being among the first to formulate the concept of vitamins, which he called vital amines or vitamins, beriberi, pellagra. 1940s U.S. government mandated specific vitamins be added to grains and milk to improve health. Scientists are now focusing on prevention of disease with vitamin research. Each new vitamin is temporarily named when discovered. The naming of vitamins follows the letters of the alphabet, starting with A, we are up to the letter K. A, B, C, D, E, and K. Classification of vitamins. Classification is based on solubility. 8 water-soluble, B vitamin complex and vitamin C. For fat-soluble, vitamins A, D, E, and K. Solubility influences of vitamins, digestion, absorption, transportation, storage, excretion. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin and an essential nutrient for humans. It is a group of organic compounds that includes retinol, also known as retinaldehyde, retinoic acid, and several provitamin A carotenoids, most notably beta-carotene, carotene. Vitamin D is a group of fat-soluble corticosteroids responsible for increasing intestinal absorption of calcium, magnesium, and phosphate, and many other biological effects. Vitamin E is a group of 8 fat-soluble compounds that include 4 tocopherols and 4 tocotriols. Vitamin E deficiency, which is rare and usually due to an underlying problem with digesting dietary fat rather than from a diet low in vitamin E, can cause nerve problems. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant which may help protect cell membranes from reactive oxygen species. Vitamin K refers to structurally similar, fat-soluble vitamins found in foods and marketed as dietary supplements. The human body requires vitamin K for post-synthesis modification of certain proteins that are required for blood coagulation, K from coagulation, Danish for coagulation, or for controlling binding of calcium in bones and other tissues. The complete synthesis involves final modification of these so-called GLA proteins by the enzyme gamma-glutamyl carboxylase that uses vitamin K as a cofactor. Thiamine, also known as thiamine and vitamin B1, is a vitamin, an essential micronutrient, which cannot be made in the body. It is found in food and commercially synthesized to be a dietary supplement or medication. Food sources of thiamine include whole grains, legumes, and some meats and fish. Grain processing removes much of the thiamine content, so in many countries cereals and flours are enriched with thiamine. Riboflavin, also known as vitamin B2, is a vitamin found in food and sold as a dietary supplement. It is essential to the formation of 2 major coenzymes, flavin mononucleotide and flavin adenine dinucleotide. These coenzymes are involved in energy metabolism, cellular respiration, and antibody production, as well as normal growth and development. The coenzymes are also required for the metabolism of niacin, vitamin B6, and folate. Riboflavin is prescribed to treat corneal thinning, and taken orally, may reduce the incidence of migraine headaches in adults. Vitamin B3 is a vitamin family that includes 3 forms or vitamins: nicotinamide, niacinamide, niacin, nicotinic acid, and nicotinamide riboside. All three forms of vitamin B3 are converted within the body to nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, NAD. NAD is required for human life, and people are unable to make it within their bodies without either vitamin B3 or tryptophan. Nicotinamide riboside was identified as a form of vitamin B3 in 2004. Pantothenic acid, also called vitamin B5, is a water-soluble B vitamin and therefore an essential nutrient. All animals require pantothenic acid in order to synthesize coenzyme A, CoA, essential for fatty acid metabolism, as well as to, in general, synthesize and metabolize proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Vitamin B6 is one of the B vitamins, and thus an essential nutrient. The term refers to a group of 6 chemically similar compounds, i.e., vitamins, which can be interconverted in biological systems. Its active form, pyridoxal 5-phosphate, serves as a coenzyme in more than 140 enzyme reactions in amino acid, glucose, and lipid metabolism. Biotin, also called vitamin B7, is one of the B vitamins. It is involved in a wide range of metabolic processes, both in humans and in other organisms, primarily related to the utilization of fats, carbohydrates, and amino acids. The name biotin derives from the Greek word bios, to live, and the suffix in, a general chemical suffix used in organic chemistry. Folate, also known as vitamin B9 and folacin, is one of the B vitamins. Manufactured folic acid, which is converted into folate by the body, is used as a dietary supplement and in food fortification as it is more stable during processing and storage. Folate is required for the body to make DNA and RNA and metabolize amino acids necessary for cell division. As humans cannot make folate, it is required in the diet, making it an essential nutrient. It occurs naturally in many foods. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is a water-soluble vitamin involved in metabolism. It is one of 8 B vitamins. It is required by animals, which use it as a cofactor in DNA synthesis, in both fatty acid and amino acid metabolism. It is important in the normal functioning of the nervous system via its role in the synthesis of myelin, and in the maturation of red blood cells in the bone marrow. Plants do not need cobalamin and carry out the reactions with enzymes that are not dependent on it. Orotic acid is a pyrimidinedione and a carboxylic acid. Historically, it was believed to be part of the vitamin B complex and was called vitamin B13, but it is now known that it is not a vitamin. Flavonoids, or bioflavonoids, from the Latin word flavus, meaning yellow, their color in nature, are a class of polyphenolic secondary metabolites found in plants, and thus commonly consumed in the diets of humans. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid and ascorbate, is a water-soluble vitamin found in various foods and sold as a dietary supplement. It is used to prevent and treat scurvy. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient involved in the repair of tissue, the formation of collagen, and the enzymatic production of certain neurotransmitters. It is required for the functioning of several enzymes and is important for immune system function. It also functions as an antioxidant. Most animals are able to synthesize their own vitamin C. However, apes, including humans, and monkeys, but not all primates, most bats, some rodents, and certain other animals must acquire it from dietary sources.